check. Hey, wait. Let's do a fit check. I'm now wearing my top net from Net Taiwan and my pants from Pasabay from a friend. This is from Alabang and my bag from TikTok. And my shoes from Outland. I bought this from Outland a week ago. And this is my bag from TikTok. Yeah. Daming dumadaan dito. I'm here at Opus Town, Bridgetown. Yeah. I hope you can hear me. Daming taong dumadaan. Yeah, that's it for my fit check.